In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download eBay fees invoice. If you need a copy of your eBay fees invoice for bookkeeping, taxes, or simply to keep your records organized, this process is very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find the invoice section inside your eBay account and download the documents you need. To begin, make sure you're signed in to your eBay account. Once you're on eBay, go to the top navigation area and hover your mouse over payments. You don't need to click right away. Just place your cursor over payments so the menu appears. This section is where eBay keeps information related to payouts, charges, and account billing. So it's the right place to start when you're looking for fee-related documents. After the menu opens, click on Summary. This will take you to your payment summary page. On this page, you'll usually see an overview of your recent account activity, including payment-related information. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a second, since account and billing pages can sometimes be slightly slower than standard listing pages. Once you're on the summary page, look for the option labeled Tax Invoices and click on it. This is the key section for accessing invoice documents connected to your account. Depending on your screen size or device, this option may appear in a menu, tab, or side panel, so take a quick look around the page if you don't spot it immediately. After you click Tax Invoices, you'll be taken to the area where your invoices are stored. From here, you can download your invoices directly. Simply locate the invoice you need, then use the available download option to save it to your computer. It's a good idea to check the invoice date before downloading so you make sure you're selecting the correct billing period. Once the file is downloaded, consider saving it in a folder dedicated to eBay expenses or monthly financial records. That can make it much easier to find later, especially during tax season or when reconciling your accounts. And that's it. To download your eBay fees invoice, just hover over Payments, click Summary, open Tax Invoices, and then download the invoice you need. It's a quick process, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat whenever you need another copy.